What's up, guys? We're going to hike. Do you like my fit? I like it. Look how pretty it is. The sun is behind us, I think. It looks so pretty. But we have to be kind of quiet because people are still sleeping. Look at those birds. Ah, look at them. They're everywhere, bro.
We're about to go hiking. You excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited because we haven't hiked in a while.
What you thought about the hotel so far?
It's okay, but Boba's being a little loud.
Is he getting on your nerves already?
Yeah.
Show us your outfit right quick. Okay, I see you. Alright.
What's up? Yeah, we're gonna go eat some breakfast. And then we're gonna go on a hike. We're gonna go to a new beach. I'm gonna get a boogie board and I'm gonna ride the waves. So I'll show y'all when I'm riding the waves. So
Yeah, so we getting the car from valet right now. Kids super excited, so we're gonna get the car from valet. Jay Boo has already set it up. We're gonna go do this hike. It's still a little bit early over here. We obviously on Texas time. It's about 6:30 over here. We're gonna go do the hike. After we do the hike, well, before that, we're gonna get some breakfast, then do the hike. Then after that, we're probably gonna go to the beach. So we plan on being gone for a lot of the day, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're gonna do later on this evening. So we'll be checking in with y'all. Turned over, we out here during the day.
We are headed to the Lanikai Pillbox Hike. We basically just parked in like a residential neighborhood on the street and we're walking to the trailhead. It should take us about an hour and a half to complete up and down.
So as you can see, we just got started, but trust me, this is not an easy hike. I would make sure that you guys had some shoes that you were comfortable in. And if you are bringing your kids, make sure that you talk to them about being prepared and staying with you.
"2,000 years later."
I don't want to do it.
Why?
Because
You're so close. We're just right up there.
I don't want to.
You can do anything you put your mind to.
But I didn't put my mind up to it.
You made it, Olivia.
You did it!
Yay! Not all the way.
That's right there.
Almost.
Hi guys, we just made it to the top and it's very scary and risky, but it's good and it's very pretty.
Mommy, top of the pillbox.
Top of the pillbox. It's a little windy up here.
Definitely windy. I don't even know if they can hear me.
Let's go back down.
Let's turn around.
Alright, we're trying to make our way down to the trailhead. I told them it's harder going down sometimes than it is hiking up. And we've all almost busted our butts a few times, so. See, Daddy just busted his ass coming down with the camera.
It was like I couldn't stop slipping.
You did it! You did it!
High five.
That was fun.
High five. High
high five.
She's mad at me because I made her do this hike, so.
All in all, how was it, Mom?
It was good.
It wasn't
Good hike. My heart rate reached about 171, so good little workout. But we're glad to be done.
The hike was very good going up, but then once you went down, it was like a waterfall because of how steep it was. And also I'm in Crocs. Now they're really dirty. We just finished the hike. It was crazy. It was very, very hard. Right now we're about to go get a gas station and get some water because we didn't have much water. So bye. What's up, guys? We're about to walk to the beach because we parked. We went to the gas station and we bought like a surfboard, some digging tools, some snacks, and some drinks. It looks so beautiful in Hawaii. Only thing is, it's so hot. That's the only thing. It's really hot. Go down, go down. So there's a bit, not that big of a drop, and then there's a little drop. I could jump down here. My camera. That's a yellow fire hydrant. We all just changed it into our swimsuits.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, we have to get our snorkels. We almost forgot our snorkels. Mom, here's our snorkels.
Yeah.
Snorkels.
Y'all, hold on.
I'm so excited to go to the beach. They cannot see your face. So yeah. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, there's a, I don't know what that is. I think that's a fire truck. So yes, bye. What's up, guys? We're about to walk to Lanikai Beach and get in the water. And me and my brother are gonna build like a pool. So yeah, well, I'm gonna build a pool. I don't know if he is. So yeah, bye. Guys, me and my mom are about to snorkel to find some crabs. So let's go. Yeah, and some fish. The water doesn't feel cold at all. Yeah, finally safe so far. That's so cool. Him.
So every Friday, the Hilton Hawaiian Hotel does a massive fireworks show. Everybody comes from all the other hotels. They come hang out, get food, and stand on the beach. So we just had an amazing time here, which is why we chose this hotel. As you can see on our last night, they had kid-friendly live music. The atmosphere was great. We had an amazing time.